Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered what life is like for a wolf in the wild? They're not just creatures often depicted as mysterious or frightening in fairy tales, but also social animals with an extraordinary way of life. Behind their sharp gazes and nocturnal howls, wolves hide a wealth of unique facts you've probably never heard of before. Wolves live in groups with high solidarity. Wolves live in packs of around 20. Living together, a pack of wolves also hunts for prey together. In fact, wolves are animals with a strong sense of solidarity. When a member of the pack falls ill, the rest of the pack will care for them by finding food and caring for them until they recover. Having hierarchical firmness. Besides living in packs, wolves also maintain a strict hierarchy, a top-down leadership system. Like humans, who have a social structure, wolves also have a social system, a hierarchy. This system is maintained because wolves have a genetic heritage as a species that lives in extended families. By living with their extended family, wolves are safer in the wild, intelligent animals with extraordinary stamina. Wolves are also intelligent animals with strong stamina. In fact, wolves are known for their remarkable ability to strategize in the wild. In developing hunting strategies, wolves employ several methods: surveillance, intimidation, exhaustion, and finally, killing their prey. Carrying out all these stages requires extraordinary intelligence in the animal kingdom, and their high stamina allows wolves to effectively implement these strategies. Sharp sense of hearing and sight. Another unique trait wolves possess is their keen hearing and vision. In fact, a wolf's sense of hearing is 100 times stronger than a human's. As for vision, wolves possess retinal reflexes that are highly sensitive to movement, making them particularly useful for hunting at night. Deaf and blind wolf babies. Wolves are known for their keen eyesight and hearing, but it turns out that these animals don't develop these abilities immediately after birth. Newborn wolf pups are deaf and blind, unable to hear or see. They must wait until they are 8 months old to develop sight and hearing. Therefore, as babies or puppies, these animals are highly dependent on their pack. Wolves are monogamous animals. There are several animals that are monogamous, loyal to one partner, until the end of their lives, and one of them is the wolf. Live Science writes on its website that the monogamy practiced by wolves is one of the keys to the survival of the species in the evolutionary process. In the world of evolution, natural selection will occur for anyone who cannot fit or adapt well in the wild. By mating monogamously, wolves can maintain pure and strong offspring from exposure to diseases in the wild. Monogamy also makes it easier for wolf social groups to establish a mutually agreed-upon hierarchy. The alpha wolf, leader, will be followed and served as an example or role model for other wolves. How to hunt from wolves. Wolves are carnivores that primarily consume meat. In the wild, wolves will undoubtedly participate in hunting, as this is their way of ensuring their sustenance. According to World Haven International, when hunting in the forest, wolf packs typically separate and surround their prey. They target the shoulders and flanks, while the rest of the pack attacks from behind. This makes wolves dangerous animals when hunting. Typically, wolves hunt animals like deer. However, wolves can also hunt animals even larger than themselves. Occasionally, wolves will hunt other, larger deer species such as elk or moose. However, wolves also occasionally hunt smaller animals, such as rabbits or beavers, and livestock. Wolves have a unique way of communicating. Every animal has its own unique way of communicating, like a dog barking or a cat meowing. Well, wolves also have their own unique way of communicating, my friends. Wolves are famous for their habit of howling. According to experts, this habit has 3 functions. First, a wolf's howl serves to alert other wolves of their territory. Second, wolves howl to locate separated members of their pack or herd. Finally, wolves also howl to maintain contact with their pack members. Besides howling, other ways wolves communicate include growling, performing specific movements and emitting specific scents. So, those are some interesting facts about wolves, from their complex communication skills to their social lives, which are apparently more organized than we think. Wolves aren't just the ferocious animals often depicted as scary in movies. They are intelligent social creatures, have strong family bonds, and play a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. Which fact do you find most interesting? Let us know in the comments.